I think that there could be some other plays coming in the near future on the stock market that might be to market a little bit sooner than them, but the ETFs and maybe another treasury company or something. So, up to you. But I'm really excited for Evernorth. Again, that panel with Ashish and David and Arrington, like, they're going to be seeding a lot of these DeFi protocols on the XRPL to be able to generate returns on the XRP and be able to pay some pretty good dividends to people out of that DAT and continue to compound XRP over the long term. So a lot of the DAT companies have done at-the-market products, convertible notes, and other things to be able to fund debt, to be able to purchase more of the asset and aggregate it faster so that they trade higher than MNAV. Basically, $1 in the company would net you a greater return than buying the asset itself. If you had bought MicroStrategy early on, you would have seen more appreciation on that company than you saw on Bitcoin. So that's kind of the premise behind these DATs, is if you do it the right way, you could see, the ETFs are always going to trade 1-to-1 with NAV, or the net asset value. You're going to get a multiple of NAV, which is MNAV, on these DATs. And, that's kind of the benefit. So if you're dollars to donuts, which one you were going to do. If you're looking for something that's going to give you a higher ROI versus the asset itself, then the DAT would be the play. I don't know that they're going to get the deal done before we see some appreciation. We'll see if that ends up being the case. They already have a ton of XRP in that SPAC vehicle. Ripple made an allocation. You saw Uphold. You saw Chris Larson put 50 million XRP in. They've continued to aggregate XRP over there. I think they're close to like 420 million, almost $500 million XRP ready to go for that DAT. And so excited for them and excited for the XRPL and the value they're going to be able to bring in seeding a lot of these DeFi protocols.